So life in the village this particular week has seen us house sitting the compound of a friend of mine called Benson Siawareva. And he's an amazing guide, but also an avid photographer. He captures these amazing pictures. So we got to stay in his house so we could just watch over it while he was away attending to some business, which gave me a new appreciation of living on a farm and knowing all the things you need to look after. At this point, we were thinking that we needed to add some livestock to our operation and some chickens and that kind of thing. So it's great getting an appreciation of knowing the relationship of dogs and pigs and all of that stuff. So it's been quite an exciting week. And also, we're excited about the whole idea that we're now starting to set up the Ikaya homes within the community. So we're going to be showing you some videos of some transformations that we're starting to do in our rural community to help you have a great experience of a rural experience in Zimbabwe. Meanwhile, back at our own site, we have the mud kitchen, which is in production. We're actually working on the pizza oven, making the cage so that we can build the mud over it. This mud kitchen is going to be like a TV series that I'm doing, 13 episodes that I'm actually just going to film of some recipes and stuff like that to add to our catalog that we're going to use for training people in the rural areas. So really excited. Watch the space.
I don't know uhlala ephuma ku-TV.
Uhlala uphuma.
Uhlala uphuma. Yabe ungakwazi ukuthi abankazana bayabe ukukhangela. Sithi kahle lo nyamazi. Mazela ku-TV.
Ubonakala.
Ungakwazi.
Ukuthi dawa utshontsha phakathi. Ungakwazi sho.
And obviously the cool thing about house sitting is cooking in other people's kitchens. And boy, did we do a lot of cooking this week. It's been super awesome cooking in a place with lots of space. Our little bus doesn't have that much space, so we're really excited doing cool stuff like, sweet potato chips, which are going to be such a cool snack, and a lot of different uses of local ingredients. Yeah.
uKarl Joshua Ncube noNelson Ncube bathi woze ekhaya wozane ekhaya uKarl Joshua Ncube noNelson Ncube bathi woze ekhaya wozane ekhaya